run it up. I think I did that enough. Yeah, and I ain't tryna be that guy, but I just really think it's that time. The clock ticking, had me in 30-mile mission. So I hit John Belly on to put it in a song, cause your light skin and ass don't listen.
It's 2 a.m. and cold outside. Is it too late to come? Oh, I can't even sleep at night, cause it's 3 a.m. I'm parked outside. I'm walking to your door, oh, and I can't wait another night, cause 25/7. I give you all my attention, baby, you're my obsession. 25/7. I give you love and affection, baby, you're my obsession.
Alright, y'all, so the rule.
Okay, excuse me. Jeans tugging that waist, it's like a koozie. Tell me why I play this game and keep losing. They don't even act this bougie in the movies, yeah. But I get it, yeah. I guess I'm a critic. When you're starring, don't get me started, baby, I'm barding. Even got a picture of you hanging in my office. Yes, girl, I'm a fan of your Instagram, so give me a chance and maybe unblock me down.
25/7. I give you all my attention, baby, you're my obsession. 25/7. I give you love and affection, baby, you're my obsession. Gotta know, no. Baby, you're my obsession.
One of the group.